All right, today we're going to bring a shapeable neon strips. Now, these are perfect for those holidays. You want to create your own sweater designs. You can do that because they actually give you the option to have batteries, so it doesn't have to be plugged in like I did. It comes with a USB plug and an AC connection. Right now, I did a character from a video game. If you guys can see, Among Us is very simple. They give you about 3.28 feet of cable. You could shape it up, and then, of course, you could buy various colors. This is very flexible, very simple. So if you're going to do your neon signs, you can do that. A couple clips. They give you actually double-sided tape, so you could clip these on too. And then on top of that, besides that, they give you templates. If you guys can see it, a bunch of templates how to create stuff. They have, if you guys can see a black cat right here, you can see the shape of a cat in here. Multiple sizes, of course, and this will work with this neon strip light. So if you want to create your own, you could. You can set it up on the back. There's a more in the back too. They give you a little star. If you can see the star, the 5-point stars. There's other shapes that you can set up in here. I like that they include this so you can actually get off and go. So I like this. This could be a great sweater if you're gonna. This is from a video game actually. I created a character here. Very simple. It's Among Us. If you guys can see it, you could have these set up throughout the room. You could have a yellow one, pink one, blue one, and so forth, and people will recognize the actual characters if you guys can see that. So I like that they give you this design that you could actually set up your batteries, and it takes about 3 AA batteries in here, and of course off and on button here. This is a great option to have. So not only are you able to set these up in the neon side, but you can actually take them to go. So very simple, easy to use. I like that you could put them on your sweater, design them in your sweater. You can make a mask out of them if you want. The multiple usage for it. I mean, I like this whole setup itself. I was able to set something up very simple. This is very flexible, easy to adjust, easy to move. So very simple to use. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.